Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, and if you're new, then welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, pretty much anything related to makeup, beauty, and stuff like that. Today we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not because they did do a price increase. It went from $15 to $23. They did guarantee us 3 full-size products in the bag, and the rest of them would be 2 to 3, I think, full-size, which, I don't know. I think for $23, it should run something like BoxyCharm or Ipsy does with theirs. And that's like an $8 increase. But they do send some really good stuff. They've always sent like full-size products from the beauty experts. They are experts at what they do. They've had the Allure Beauty magazine for years. Little magazine tell us about our stuff. We don't want to look at it right now. But I do like that eye look. But I'd be afraid to get that in my eyes. In my eye, I had to go a month without wearing makeup, almost a whole month. So, like, well, I guess it ain't been a whole month. It's like about 3-4 weeks, right before Thanksgiving, like the day before Thanksgiving, I got my eye picked by a chicken when I was in the chicken house, not paying no attention, and I looked up, and he was grabbing my hair bow, and at the same time I looked up, he went, I guess, to pick my hair bow, and he actually got my eyeball right next to, like, the green. So he got the white part. It did cut it pretty bad. It did bleed a little bit, then it quit, but every time I had to go to wear makeup or something, it, like, really irritated my eyes, so I had to give it a little time to heal. Our first thing, we're going to go ahead and open this Beauty Loot, a cute little bag. It's got like little lips on it. Allure Beauty, thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separated from your regular beauty box. Our way of showing how much we appreciate having you as a little member. Okay, so this is Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. A more Pacific. It is 0.3 flow or 0.1 flow ounce, 3 milliliters. I think you hold it like this. So it is like, it's got this gold on top. And right here it is. It does have a lot, for eye cream, it's thick. It's like, something like a blonde, but not a blonde. It's like a thick material. I do have eyeliner already on my hands. So, it's got like a perfume smell like to it. I hope it goes away. Okay. Then, Muddy Masky. This is the Leave Me On Winter Mask. pH balance, protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nurturing, anti-aging. 40 milliliters, which is 1.35 flow ounces. They're PETA certified, skin loving ingredients, and fresh made in Amsterdam. Now, I have tried their products before. I do like them. And in wintertime, our skin always, like, goes dry. So, anything to help in the wintertime is welcome. Now, this year, I'm hoping that they don't go, like, a beauty box just don't go crazy with sending so much lip balms, chapsticks, or whatever. I got so many last year, I do not need none this year. I always appreciate the safety seal because then you know it's not being opened. But I have had good luck with this brand before. So there it is. It's thick, but it's dissolving in my skin like pretty fast. It's got a light smell to it, like a floral. It feels like really, really good. So I like that. Claudel. This is SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. We're getting 10 milliliters, 0.3 flow ounces. I do like this brand. I've had really good luck with it too. Ooh. A little bit too much out. It is like thinner. So here it is. It's just a serum. But a little bit goes a long way. It's like, it smells really good. I know that smell, but I cannot remember what it is. But it does smell good. I think it's a flower. Vino Source is what it is. But I do like that. Then Cetaphil. This is a Healthy Glow Daily Cream. It's the deep hydration, face, dry, dehydrated skin. Nourishes to deeply replenish dry hydration for 48 hours. Well, I'm going to tell you something. I don't keep anything on my face for 48 hours. I don't keep nothing on my face for 24 hours. I don't even think I keep anything on my face for 16 hours. So I don't think it would keep working on me. We're getting 0.34 ounces, which is 10 grams. It does not have a safety seal. So you can get this at Walmart, Target, pretty much anywhere. Right here it is. It's thick. But it's spreading around really good. It's, my skin's absorbing it, but my hands need everything. My hands stay so dry. If smells like Cetaphil always smells. So I like that. La Roche-Posay Retinol BB. Oh, my camera's not like focusing. It's a BB, Retinol B, is that BB? Serum Pure plus gradually release retinol, vitamin B3. I don't know what I was thinking. 5 milliliters. It's made in France. It's for lines and wrinkles. See, I don't know. We're going to go through the box, then we'll talk. Okay, this kind you got too. So it is thin and clear. God, that little bit goes like really, really far. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it. And it's like already going away. Okay. And Ciate London. It's a 9-piece eyeshadow. Okay. So it is cruelty-free and vegan, PETA. It's cute. It does have a little mirror. So I do like that. I like how it has mattes and shimmer. I like Ciate London. Okay, that's the first 2 rows. The last row. So I do like them. They make some really good eye looks. They do have names. Like in very small print. So, okay. One more product. By Me times My Beauty brand. Black liquid eyeliner. Okay. I like to see how big I can go without bleeding. It's not like really bleeding. You can make little lines, big lines. This is blacker than this, so I like this one better. And that is it. Okay. So the little Ciate London 9 eyeshadow palette is $24. It's the Trend Edit palette. The Muddy Mask, which this is probably a full size. That's a full size. Then they do have the Muddy Mask Leave On. It is $45.85. The Claudel SOS Thirst Cleanser. It is not full size. The full size does go for $49 though. The eyeliner is full size. By Me times My Beauty brand is $22. I've never heard of this. I knew the retinol is not full size. The La Roche-Posay retinol B3 serum. Their full size is $39. And let me see. I dropped this. The Cedar Field is just an add-on. The extra product. And this is an extra product. They normally throw one extra product in. And this is it. But this month they gave us like 2. I guess like a little Christmas present for appreciation. So we did get 3 full-size products. I'm gonna think for like $23, you should be at least getting 4 with a few, like maybe 4 full-size and 3 deluxe. I don't know, that's just my opinion. But that is everything we got in our box this month. What did you guys think about it? Is it worth it? Would you order it? Would you cancel it? Keep it, cancel it? I don't know. I like Allure Beauty. I get some really good stuff in there. But at the same time, with the price change and still pretty much getting the same thing we was getting, I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Because I think with the price increase, they should have, like, changed the way they do the box. We was already getting 2 to 3 full-size products anyway. And to take it from 15 to 23, like I said, it is an $8 difference. So, to me, it's like, if you're going to increase the price, you need to increase what the box is. Besides sending us the same amount, 2 to 3 full-size products is what we always got. I just think they should, up their game if we're going to up our money. But that's my opinion. And I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will see you on the next one.